A young boy looks at his dad with concern and says, "Dad, you snore too loud." The father, half asleep with a playful grin, replies, "That's my stress escaping." The son laughs and retorts, "Then you must be trauma-free by now," causing both to burst into laughter. The boy playfully nudges his father and laughs, filling the room with joy as they share this light-hearted moment. The dad leans back, enjoying the laughter and the bond they share, creating a beautiful memory in their cozy home. As the boy lays back, he can't contain his laughter, looking up at the starry ceiling. The dad, with a mischievous grin, starts to snore dramatically, making the room echo with laughter, a moment filled with joy and love.